welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bathroom cleaning video. This bathroom needs a really good clean, and recently I was sent some Barkeeper's Friends cleaning products and I thought I will give it a try and see if I can remove the soap buildup from in the shower. We do tend to only use body wash, but these tiles seem to show up that white smudgy mark, so I'm going to give it all a really good clean, empty the shower out, throw any products that we don't need, like empty containers, and give it a really good, nice, fresh clean and make it all sparkly again. This bathroom is the only bathroom that we all currently use in this house. Sorry, I thought that was Chris coming up as I was filming this and I was going to get embarrassed. But anyway, this is the only bathroom that we currently are using in this house, and I believe this is my mum ringing me. Hang a sec. Oh, I'm back. That was my sister telling me she bought a camera to start her YouTube channel. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link her video that I filmed of her doing her cleaning, but she just rung to tell me she's bought a camera. And I said, go away, I'm trying to film an intro. So anyway, I am going to clean this bathroom today, get it all beautiful and fresh and clean and sparkly, so when we have our showers this evening, we feel all nice and fresh. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you all the cleaning motivation. I've got my hair up ready to rock and roll so I can get in and get it cleaning. Alright guys, I will see you at the end of this video. I had some shelves on this wall and I took them down, and I went to get the mirror yesterday to hang on this wall, but it's not what I like. So I'm after a long mirror in here to fill this space, and I want like a white trim around it. So I'm just going to pop on some gloves because it does say on the bottle that it can be an irritant, and this spray that I'm using is the Spray and Foam Cleaner from Barkeeper's Friend, and it says it removes mineral deposits, oily residue, rusty stains and everyday grime. It was fantastic on the stainless steel and on the rust marks from when the girls leave their hairpin, bobby pins on the tiles. And then I'm just going to get a Chuck's little Dishlex sponge. What are they called? The Chuck sponge ones, just so I've got a handle. I have seen this on many cleaning videos, especially on my gorgeous friend Ellis. I will link her below. She uses it all the time in her cleaning videos, and this was a great hack because you're not using your whole hand and you're using the actual arm of the Dishlex sponge. It worked a treat, so I highly recommend this tip. And I do see that some people put their cleaning products in there. Because this was a foaming cleaning product, I opted not to pop it in, but boy did it work. It was fantastic how much easier it was to clean with this Dishlex sponge.
Miracles, miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night.
Now for the bath, I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser, and it says it can be used on cookware, kitchen and bathroom, and even for the outdoors to remove plant stains and pollution grime from the surfaces. And this worked fantastic, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth with the little rough edge from Co to clean this, and the bath came up absolutely sparkling. I love this product and I can't wait to use this also on my stainless steel sink in the kitchen.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good.
This little green mat that I'm kneeling on is fantastic. I got it from like a little cheap shop. You can get them at Bunnings as well. It's used for when you're gardening and you're picking out weeds, but it's perfect. Your knees don't get sore, and I highly recommend this as well. It's fantastic if you're doing a big clean like this and you're not actually kneeling down on the actual cold tiles. I will probably try this product again with a harder scrubbing brush, especially for that calcification on the drain. That didn't really come off. It did remove some, but I think I'd need a harder brush to actually remove it with the product. But when I give that a go, I'll let you know how it goes. But then I'm just going to rinse everything down. They say not to leave the product on too long. And this is my tile grout brush from Co. This brush is fantastic. It gets right in the grout lines and I absolutely love it. It came with my Co cleaning product pack and I absolutely love it, and the amount of filth that came out of those tiles I should have showed you, but this is probably my favorite Co product.
Your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good. Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
Now I'm just using the Method glass cleaner with some paper towel. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe before I go and use my Karcher window cleaner. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love my Karcher window cleaner. It is absolutely fantastic. I've had it for ages. I begged Chris for it, but I absolutely love it. It really makes the glass shine, and it's also fantastic to remove excess water off the tiles. So after I've cleaned the shower screen, I remove all the excess water on the floor tiles so I can mop, and it's amazing how much it sucks everything up. I could not recommend it anymore. I absolutely love it, and I got it at Bunnings. There is 2 versions, and I'm not too sure exactly what one this is because I threw out the box, but I highly recommend it. I'll try to link it below, but yeah, it's absolutely fantastic.
Dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no.
And now I'm just using with a fresh cloth from Co. These cloths are fantastic. They have a little scourer in the corner of them so you can really give everything a good clean, and I'm using the Coles Green Choice bathroom cleaner in wild mint and lavender. It's not the best of smells. It still smells nice, but I'm a big fan of the Method bathroom cleaner, so this wouldn't be my favorite, but it still does a fantastic job. I'm just giving everything a really good wipe over. If you haven't seen my bathroom organization video, I will pop up a card on the screen and a link below, and it shows you how I organized all of the bathroom vanity. I'm just giving everything a really good wipe, and again a good scrub with the Co grout cleaner, and giving it a mop with some Pine-O-Clean disinfectant in the lavender just so it disinfects the floor, and then I'm all done.
We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Alone, I can never make it on my own.